for bad debt and discount allowed. Point number A, if given in adjustment, so we need to pass one journal entry, bad debt to debtor, correct? Here discount allowed to debtor. If given in adjustment, if given in trial balance तो already recorded तो ये journal entry मत कर देना. Understood this point? Point number B, for closing bad debt or discount allowed account. Point number 1, if no provision is created in previous year, if no provision is created in previous year, correct ना, means there is no opening balance of provision in trial balance, तब तो हम डायरेक्टली क्या एंट्री पास करेंगे, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैड डेप्ट एंड यहां पर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिस्काउंट अलाउड. Have you understood this point what I am saying? Correct. So if no provision was created previous year means there is no opening balance of provision in trial balance, correct ना, it means no opening balance. आपको ऐसे लिखना, लिख लो, that is no opening balance of provision, no opening balance of provision in trial balance, no opening balance of provision in trial balance. Point number 2, if provision were created in previous year, that is opening balance of provision exist in trial balance, correct? Then what journal entry, provision for doubtful debt. When I say PFDD, so it is provision for doubtful debt, don't use in exam PFDD, correct? To what bad debt, to bad debt, यहाँ पर it will be correct, provision for discount on debtor DOD to discount allowed. discount allowed. Point number C. This you understood? Point number C. For creating provision for current year, if given in adjustment, if given in adjustment. So what journal entry? Profit and loss account, debit to what? To provision for discount on provision for doubtful debt, and profit and loss account, debit to provision for discount on debtor. Have you understood this entire journal entry? Batao. Have you understood the entire journal entry? Correct? ठीक है, देखो then. Amount of net debtor to be shown in balance sheet. Correct? Will be debtor given in trial balance, given in trial balance less bad debt if given in adjustment. बोलो yes or no? If given in adjustment तो उसको इससे माइनस करना है. If given in trial balance, so it means debtor whatever given in trial balance is already after deducting bad debt. अब इस बात को समझ पा रहे हो? नाउ मैं आपको रटवा दिया हूं. आई हैव गिवन द एंटायर कॉन्सेप्ट. तो मैं एक आपको सरल तरीका बता रहा हूं इन एग्जाम में हाउ टू डू फास्ट. करेक्ट? लेस डिस्काउंट allowed if given in adjustment, if given in adjustment. तो क्या नहीं से दिस विल बी क्लोजिंग डेटर. इसको हम बोलते हैं क्लोजिंग डेटर और टोटल डेटर और ग्रॉस डेटर और ग्रॉस डेटर. तो दिस इज द डेटर का क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. दिस इज द डेटर अकाउंट का क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. करेक्ट? But this will be in the inner column. In outer column net amount will come. Net amount will come. Now झगड़ा क्या हो जाएगा? If suppose in exam both is given provision for discount on debtor and provision for doubtful debt. दोनों बोला create provision for doubtful debt and create provision for discount on debtor. Now झगड़ा आएगा पहले किसको बनाए? Doubtful debt कि discount on debtor? What do you think? First we should create provision for doubtful debt कि provision for discount on debtor. बोलो. Everyone. So first we'll create provision for doubtful debt. Means first we'll find out कि out of this total debtor how much is nalayak debtor means doubtful debtor. So can I say this will be created on this amount. Correct now? Means this amount, whatever closing debtor multiplied by rate given, whatever. Understood? Understood this point? तो दिस वी कॉल, इसे बोलते जो बच गया, मीन्स टोटल डेटर में से इफ यू डिडक्ट डाउटफुल डेटर तो कैन इज गुड डेटर विल बी लेफ्ट. तो वी डोंट राइट बट दिस विल बी नोन एज गुड डेटर, आपको समझाने के लिए. गुड डेटर. And can I say discount will be allowed only to the good debtor who may pay on a prompt basis. So doubtful debtor will never pay on prompt basis. Only good debtor will pay on prompt basis in future. So discount will be allowed in future only to good debtor. Correct ना? Therefore, इसके बाद हम create करते हैं less provision for discount on debtor that will be always on good debtor. I'm writing in exam, don't write good debtor. Correct ना? उसको ऐसे लिखते नहीं है. Good debtor multiply by whatever rate given, whatever rate given, तो ये आ जाएगा. And this will be the net debtor to be shown in balance sheet. तो ये आ जाएगा net debtor to be shown in balance sheet. Have you understood this point? Have you understood this point? This point have you understood? बोलो. Yes sir. So last example we'll take. Example. You will do it. Trial balance 31st March 2020. Debtor 5 lakh. Discount allowed 20,000. Provision for doubtful debt 1/4/2019. 30,000. Sorry, credit balance 30,000. ठीक है, अपना दिमाग लगाना है. ठीक है, आपको करना है. एडजस्टमेंट. Point number 1, bad debt 25,000. Create provision for doubtful debt and provision for discount on debtor at the rate of 10% and 5% respectively. Correct? Understood? In this, I have not given the opening provision for discount on debtor. Be careful. Correct now? Be careful. Correct? I want how much amount will be debited to PL and how much will be shown in balance sheet for debtor. ये आपको निकालना है. Correct? Do it by your own. आप खुद कीजिए. Everyone. This is the last question for this concept. Then we'll move further. Have you done it? So give me your answer. What is the net debtor to be shown in balance sheet and how much amount will be debited in PL for discount allowed and bad debt? Done? Let me now do it. So can I say in this question I am not given provision for discount on debtor opening balance, means this can be directly transferred to balance PL, directly PL में चल जाएगा, correct? But I have given provision for discount on provision for doubtful debt. Let us create provision for doubtful debt account, correct? बताओ, what is the opening balance? Opening balance given how much? That is 30,000, correct? To bad debt how much? To bad debt 25,000, correct? To carried down, ये देखना है. To carried down means closing balance. To carried down means closing balance of provision account. तो बताओ 10% of what? ये अगर आपने सही किया तो it is 100% correct. 10% of what? So for that we need to find out debtor, correct now? तो बताओ how much debtor given in trial balance? How much debtor given in trial balance? बोलो. Debtor given in trial balance कितना है? How much? It is 5 lakh. 5 lakh less bad debt given in adjustment. So how much bad debt given in adjustment? Correct. Bad debt given in adjustment कितना? 25,000. Are you able to understand? Less discount allowed given in adjustment. बताओ discount allowed कितना minus करें? How much discount allowed? Discount allowed, very good, nil. No, because it is already adjusted, not given adjustment. So this is 4,75,000. So it should be on 4,75,000, means provision for discount on debtor, provision for doubtful debt will be on what? 10% of this amount, 10% of 4,75,000, that is 47,500, 47,500, 47,500. So can I say closing balance should be 47,500? Closing balance should be 47,500. But by PL कितना होना चाहिए? So you can see last year there is a surplus of 5,000. तो हमारा कितना होना चाहिए? 47,500 required minus 5,000 means we should create 42,500. 42,500. Of course, I think you have understood this. ये आप समझ गए? Correct. So you can see how much you are charging to PL is different from how much you are showing in balance sheet. दोनों अलग अलग amount होता है. This point you understood? Yes sir. So can I say now what is the good debtor? Good debtor कितना आया? 4,75,000 minus 47,500. Correct? 47,500. This is good debtor. 4,27,500. Correct? Understood? So minus provision for discount on debtor for current year, they have asked you to do on 5%. 5% of 4,27,500. Correct? तो 4,27,500 का 5% कितना हुआ? 21,375. 21,375. करेक्ट ना? ये समझे? तो माइनस इज इक्वल टू, तो व्हाट इज द नेट डेटर टू बी शोन इन बैलेंस शीट? 4,06,125. 4,06,125. This is the net debtor to be shown in balance sheet. Net debtor. Net debtor means in outer column. Have you understood this point? Very good. 21,375 is correct. Very good. Understood? Now in PL में क्या क्या आएगा बताओ? In profit and loss account क्या क्या आएगा? बताओ. Two discount allowed. Two discount allowed. Why two discount allowed? Directly because there was no opening provision for discount on debtor. Correct? So how much discount allowed बताओ? डिस्काउंट अलाउड कितना दिया मैंने आपको, दैट इज 20,000, करेक्ट। बताओ हाउ मच टू बैड डेप्ट, टू बैड डेप्ट हाउ मच बताओ, टू बैड डेप्ट हाउ मच, टू प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट हाउ मच, एंड टू प्रोविजन फॉर डिस्काउंट ऑन डेटर हाउ मच, बता दो कितना कितना आएगा। एवरीवन करेक्ट, व्हाट इज द अमाउंट, दिस इज एवरीवन हैव डन करेक्ट। ये बता दो टू बैड डेप्ट हाउ मच, can I say bad debt is already transferred to provision account, therefore it will not come. Provision for doubtful debt will be how much, 42,500, and how much you have created provision for discounted debtor, that is 21,375, 21,375, understood this point? तो bad debt नहीं आएगा, bad debt आपने 25,000, that will not go to PL because that is already adjusted to provision for doubtful debt account। आप समझो मेरी बात को, तो bad debt नहीं आएगा। Have you understood this point? बोलो, have you understood this point? How many of you have done this correct? Raise your hand. How many of you still not understood? How many of you still not understood? You want me to take one more question on this? Everyone done correct? Very good. Excellent. If you have done correct, excellent. So can I now assume that you have understood provision for bad debt and provision for doubtful debt and provision for discount on debtor? Very good. Excellent. Please repeat last example. यही example ना? तो क्या repeat करना है? सब चीज लिखा हुआ है. What to repeat? I said discount allowed is given in trial balance, so it is already adjusted with debtor. इसलिए देखो यहाँ पे माइनस नहीं किया, ये समझे this point? Yes sir. Bad debt is given in adjustment, therefore it is not yet adjusted with debtor, तो माइनस bad debt कर दिया, ये समझे? Correct. Now I have not given you opening balance for provision for discount on debtor, therefore discount allowed will be directly transferred to PL, तो directly transfer कर दिया PL में. But I have given you opening provision for doubtful debt, therefore bad debt has been transferred to provision account. ये देखो यहाँ transfer कर दिया, correct ना? Then first we'll create 10% of provision for doubtful debt, so 10% on this amount, and provision for discount on debtor will be created on good debtor, तो good debtor यहाँ पर, तो directly we have pass one journal entry PL account debit to provision for discount on debtor for this amount. Have you understood this point? Yes sir. Correct.